Hey guys, happy Thursday. Today we are going to start our Unit 3 of multiplication. Today's date is October 22nd, 2020. And inside of your journal, you need to have a new clean page, and your title of your new clean page is going to say Review of Basic Multiplication. If you want to put today's date there as well, you can write October 22nd, 2020. But again, on a new clean page, today we will be reviewing multiplication vocabulary and concepts. So the title, pause the video here and write your title down, Review of Basic Multiplication. In this lesson, you guys will be learning how to tell the factors of a given product. In your notes, you should already have vocabulary written down, and the factors are the two smaller numbers that you're combining, groups of how many, equal groups. And the factors are the two smaller numbers. Remember, your multiplication sign is an X equals the product or the total amount in the groups. Your factors are the numbers that you multiply together to get the product. And we should already have these vocabulary terms inside of our notes. And then products can have two or more factors to create that same equation. So today we're going to be practicing with the products and figuring out how many factors go with that product. So here's an example here. It says factors of 20 are 4 and 5, because 4 times 5 equals 20. And another factor is 2 and 10. 2 times 10 also gives you 20. And you also have 1 and 20, because 1 times 20 equals 20. So that is what we're going to be doing today, is playing around with those vocabulary terms of factors and products and seeing how many factors can create a certain product. So here, you didn't need to write any of that down. Again, we're just reviewing. You should already have vocabulary terms inside of your journals. So here's an I do. We're going to look at this number 9, and I am going to think about all of the factors that are given to create the product of 9. So in my head, I'm thinking, the very first one that I can think of is 9. Let me get that there. 9 times 1. I can also think of 3 times 3. Both of those sets give me 9. So then if you're asking all the factors that you would create 9, it would be 1 and 9 and 3. And I'm going to double that 3 just in case so that you guys get the concept that it is 3 times 3. You wouldn't just put 3. So that is the first one that is an I do. So these are the factors that create 9. Again, you're looking for the combination of how many groups. There's another I do. So we're going to be thinking about the number 10 that is here. So again, you're just watching and you're thinking, how many combinations can we get to 10? The first one I can think of, we always have 1 times itself. So 1 times 10 equals 10. And then you're thinking, what else? Then I go 2 times 5 equals 10. 3 times nothing, 4 times nothing, and then 5 is here, so it would go in reverse. So these are the only combinations that give you 10. So your factors would be 1, 2, 5, and 10. So this is what we're practicing with today. All right, let's do a couple for you guys to practice before I let you go. Okay, here's a we do. We have the one that says for 8. I want you to pause the video here and see if you can come up with as many groups to create factors for this number set. And you should have written 1, 2, 4, and 8. Okay, we're going to do one more. All right, here's your 15. Pause the video here and see if you can get the concepts for this one. So you should have gotten 1 and 3 and 5 and 15, because 1 times 15 is 15 and 3 times 5 is 15. If you flip it, it's still the same numbers. So these right here are your factors. So that is what we are playing with. If you can dig back into your brains from 3rd grade and the basic combinations for multiplication, we're just getting our brains warmed up and getting ready for multiplying our equal groups. And we're starting with the most basic today. So with a partner or in a breakout room, you're going to do the number 1 and number 2 slides for 24 and 14. And then we will come back to check as your exit ticket to make sure you're on the right path. Once you get finished with those exit tickets and you've been released and you're good to go, the next part is you are going to do slides 3, 4, 5, and 6 on your own for a grade. Again, those are slides 3, 4, 5, and 6. You're looking for factors of 18, factors of 16, factors of 21, and factors of 6. Now, again, this is your part that is independent work. It will be for a grade, and that is it. And again, exit ticket before you do the independent work, and I will see you guys soon.